One of my top picks is Prince Street Pizza. I think it's the best pizza in New York City. There's a long lineup to get in, but man, is it ever worth it. It's the little pepperonis that are to die for.
I'm third generation pizza maker. Me and my father started Prince Street Pizza 7 years ago, and we're known for our Sicilian slices. Our catchphrase is home of the Soho Square, no other square can compare. If you can ask anybody that's tried my pizza, they know they're getting the real deal. We just use the best ingredients possible. We have our secret family recipe for our sauces, trademarked. We're all about pepperoni here. That's our #1 seller, and we are the originators of the Spicy Spring Pepperoni Sicilian Slice. Nobody else did it before us, and nobody else is doing it better after us. It starts with our dough, how we make it, how we let it rise, and then we put a very fine fresh mozzarella on it. Right here is our Spicy Spring sauce. And then we pack it with our spicy pepperoni and a little bit of pecorino. Pop that bad boy in the oven for 10 minutes, and you got your slice. It's really cool that Jesse Palmer picked my pizzeria as one of his top foods in all of New York City. It makes me really happy that he would get me the spot on Rachael's show. I love Rachael Ray. Me and my father have been watching her show since I was a kid, and this is just a huge honor to even be a part of it. Jesse, listen to me. You and Rachael come down anytime you want. On me, cuz, all right?
My next top food pick is Sushi Seki. It serves one of the best pieces of sushi I've ever put in my mouth. Sauteed tomato, salmon, sushi.
I'm Seki. Here is Sushi Seki Times Square. Right now we have 3 locations: Chelsea, Sushi Seki, Upper East Side, and Times Square. A lot of people like a salmon sauteed tomato. Cold salmon with a hot tomato combination must your mouth.
So another one of my top food favorites here in New York City is the famous Dominique Ansel Bakery. So you may know that Dominique Ansel really put the cronut on the map, and that's why there's a huge line out the door down the street. So you're gonna have to wait your turn, but I'm telling you, you're really missing out if you don't get the double chocolate cookie. If you're a chocolate lover, then this is your nirvana. Chocolate on chocolate on chocolate on chocolate. There's so much gooiness. It's got the perfect texture, the perfect bite, and it just leaves you begging for more. I hope my picks give you some inspiration to try some amazing food next time. Happy eating.
You know, I know that sushi.
Yeah,
it's
you
great.
do?
Yeah, I do.
Sushi Seki's so good.
I have never heard of these beautiful cookies, but I think it's really sweet, that you brought enough for the whole class.
I sure, listen, you can't go to Dominique Ansel Bakery without bringing cookies for your friends.
Yay!
So, I got a little surprise. Guys, enjoy. Have some, grab one. Please grab one.